Good morning everyone and welcome to Guarantee RV here in Junction City, and I'm here to show you this beautiful Tiffin Allegro Bus 2015, 37 feet. It is gorgeous. And just to show you a quick glimpse of the outside, you can see that she is a beautiful burgundy black and white motor coach and single axle rear. Again, 37 feet, lots of pockets in the garage, and we'll see those in a minute, but first I want to show you the inside. As you step in, you'll notice the luxurious, spacious seating here for the driver and the passenger. And walking on into this beautiful living space, beautifully appointed with fabrics and colors that are neutral enough for you to add some of your own touches of color. Hard surface, tabletop, counters, a gorgeous L-shaped couch is what this will become, and it comes with its own little coffee table that you can set up once you're settled in at your spot. Fireplace, a backlit TV, which is a nice feature. It makes it a lot easier on your eyes when you're watching a movie in a dim lit room. Gorgeous details on your overhead lighting, backlights. And I just can't mention enough of the beautiful features in this coach. I haven't been in one this pretty in a long time. Let's see if I can pull this out for you, show you how much more counter space you're going to have working in this kitchen. Here, one of the things that you'll notice, not right away, but when you move these, you've got two different size sinks. Very nice. One large enough to handle pans with long handles. They've really thought this out. We just took this in, so whoever had this before took excellent care of it. There's really not much for us to do here. Look at this amazing shower. There you go. Just gorgeous. You have the bench seat in there. And then coming into the bedroom area, closets, great lighting, and even the bedding is really cute. Large TV. I'm going to say that's probably a 45, if not a 50-inch. And ooh, little stuff, but in here, oh, it's a slide, my bad. Washer and dryer by Artisan. And a lit closet, shelving in the back, and a safe for all your treasures when you're out on a hike or just going for a walk or a swim, wherever you are. This is just amazing. Beautiful ceiling fan. This is the inside. Let's go take a look at the outside. Comes with a cover, and so in there, you can see it from this angle. You've got a slide-through tray, a small one, and then another large all the way through to the back. Your aqua hot system. That's for your tanks. That's for your def. We haven't had a chance to clean this up yet, so pardon the dust. Electrical system. Battery cabinet. This one's going to come with this shield, it looks like, so that's a good way to start with your tow vehicle. Cummins. Your 50 amp power cord with the automatic retract and release. So much more convenient. And your outside shower, tank flush, and hoses. And these are the other sides of your slide out cabinets. I would love to show you more of this and take it on a test drive with you, so please come down and see me. My name's Teresa. Ask for me, and I look forward to seeing you soon.